I've been working on this Game Boy for a little bit, and I thought that I would share some information with all of you. My speaker does not work. The headphone jack does. The speaker does not. So, if you're having the same type of issue as me, here's what you need to do. You need to short this pin to this pin, and the reason for that, inside the headphone jack is a switch that detects whether or not you have a pair of headphones inserted. When you insert your headphones, it disables the speaker. That switch on my Game Boy has broken, which means that it always thinks there's headphones inserted. Now, if you do short this pin to this pin, you will get your speaker back, but you will no longer be able to use headphones. So, with that information, if I can get a good contact there. Come on. That's all you need to do. Hopefully this helps some of you.